top right drawer.
So this goes back to center.
That was it?
Yep.
No,
I think you went all the way over.
No, I didn't go all the way over.
Yeah.
The issue that just happened is that while Abel wasn't particularly used to this style of transmission, when you use the clutch, the dog ring can actually stay engaged in the previous gear. You move to the next one and the transmission's just all freaked out. The guys pulled the plate off of the transmission, pulled the gear, or pulled the dog back out, so now the car's basically in neutral again.
You want some of the bolts? Huh?
They're back in business. They got the fluid back in the transmission. And it is time to strap her back up.